Hello automotive enthusiast. Porsche 911 Hybrid 2026, engineering breakdown of the revolutionary new performance powertrain. The words hybrid Porsche. For decades, the 911 survived because it refused to follow trends. Naturally aspirated screamers. Turbocharged monsters. Rear engine insanity. But now, Porsche has done the unthinkable. They electrified the 911. And somehow, it might be the smartest performance decision they've ever made. Because the 2026 Porsche 911 T-Hybrid isn't built to save fuel. It's built to destroy turbo lag forever. The moment you hit the throttle, you immediately feel the difference. There's no hesitation. No waiting for boost pressure. The power arrives instantly, sharp, violent, perfectly controlled. Almost like the engine can predict your next move. That's because hidden deep inside this new flat 6 setup is one of the most advanced systems Porsche has ever engineered for a road car, an electric exhaust gas turbocharger. Traditional turbochargers rely on exhaust gases building pressure before delivering peak performance. That tiny delay, even milliseconds, has always existed. Porsche looked at that problem and basically said, eliminate it. So now, an electric motor spins the turbo instantly before exhaust pressure even catches up. The result? Immediate boost. Immediate response. Immediate chaos. And suddenly, the 911 feels more alive than ever before. But the real magic happens underneath the car. Integrated directly into the 8-speed PDK transmission sits a compact motor generator unit working like a hidden performance weapon. Under acceleration, it fills torque instantly. Under braking, it recovers energy with brutal efficiency. Everything works together in real time. Gasoline. Electricity. Turbocharging. Energy recovery. It's Formula One thinking translated into a street-legal sports car. And somehow, Porsche made it feel natural. That's the scary part. Most hybrid systems feel artificial. Heavy. Overcomplicated. But the 911 T-Hybrid still behaves like a proper Porsche. The steering remains razor-sharp. The rear end still feels playful. The flat 6 still delivers that signature mechanical emotion that enthusiasts are terrified of losing. Except now the performance feels cleaner, faster, more intelligent. Even the battery system was engineered differently. Instead of prioritizing massive EV range, Porsche focused on power density, delivering rapid bursts of electrical energy exactly when performance demands it. This isn't a commuter battery. It's a performance battery. A compact high-voltage system designed to attack corners, improve throttle response, and make the car feel relentlessly aggressive lap after lap. And honestly, this changes the future of sports cars forever. Because the 2026 Porsche 911 Hybrid proves something nobody expected. Electrification doesn't have to kill emotion. In the right hands, it can actually amplify it.